Hey guys, today I am with my dad at his job and we are cutting in a trail. This thing is huge. It goes way up there, all the way down to the middle of nowhere. There's like a stream. It's been fun clearing out all the rocks, chainsawing branches down. It's been pretty good. I'll catch you guys when we cut some more wood. All right, we are almost finished. We just have to clean it up a little. We got all the way up. In order to cut in a path like this, first we'll have to line out the area that we're gonna go through and cut into. And then next we're gonna have to go and put flags and decide how hard it's gonna be, the hills and obstacles we're gonna have to avoid. We have to mark out the property lines to see where we can and can't go. And then we go through with a chainsaw and take out all the big trees. And then you come out with the excavator and you rip out all the weeds. And then you cut into the ground to make it level. And then you level it out after and clean it up. Take all the rocks out. Take all the leaves out. Rake it if you want. Spray it down. Get it really nice. Then you run it a lot. And the more you run it, the better it gets packed down.